Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Um, Sorry about the way I look. I was over cleaning the soap room and disinfecting everything, and our cameras alerted that someone was on the porch. So, look what came. Alright, this is all I did was remove the label and cut the tape. I haven't looked in, so this is the Jeffree Star Psychedelic Circus order. And I'm not going to be doing a look today because this is actually my Christmas present from my mother. And there's also another Christmas present in here for someone else. So anyway, this is how the box came. All right, hold it out. All right, so it looks like that. Pretty cool looking paper. And here's the card that I got. Pretty cool. There's the back of it. It's pretty nice. Okay, so right on top, let me see. Let me move a little bit. That's how the paper is. Let me take out that. Alright, so that's what we're looking at. And I'll reach in and get everything out. I'm a little concerned because, it's really cold here. So I'm hoping nothing happened. We'll do the palette last. Alright, so these two are the same. This is the Psychedelic Circus Melt black long sleeve shirt. And this is in large. And this is what it looks like on the front. And this, hold on, let me see if I can. And that's what the sleeves look like. It's pretty cool. It's the melt shirt. And then this is the back. So that's cool. I'm not going to put it all back in the bag and everything. Alright, so this is the hand mirror. It comes like that. Now I don't want to open it, but look how cute it is. But I will, because just in case it's broken, I want to make sure it's not broken because it was so cold. So I'm going to try to lift the sticker up. Look how cute this packaging is. The mushrooms. I love mushrooms. And so does my granddaughter. I'm trying to get this off without it looking like it was open, but oh well, if it is what it is, right? I'd really like to know where Jeffree gets his stickers from, because the stickers I buy for my business don't stick like this. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. That was murder. Alright, well, it opens up nice. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. Glass is perfect. Very pretty. Oh my gosh. Oops. Give him that. His packaging's good. Alright, good as new. Nobody will even know, right? Pretty. And then I got I believe this is the glowy one. I could have it backwards. The glow in the dark. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not going to take that one out. But the glow in the dark is blue and pink. And then I believe, there's nothing on the box to indicate which one is glow in the dark and which one isn't. They both just say hand mirror. Alright. Remove that. Here's how the palette Here's how the palette came wrapped. And this paper, look how cute this is. With the little mushrooms on it. I love that. And I couldn't get that for my company. You know, without the stars. Alright, so it is bubble wrap. Whoop. It is bubble wrapped. Oh, and I want to show you this other paper. I'm not sure what that is, but it looks like that. It's like those little things you used to draw when you were in school. It looked like little aliens. That's what it reminds me of. Alright, so bubble wrap to the max. Ooh. Look at that. It's like 3D. And then the back, of course, says everything about it. Very hard to read, though. Oh, I like that. I love the 3D effect. All right, let's see if I can get it open without destroying it. Oh, it makes your eyes water a little bit. It's kind of cool. Like being on shrooms. Not that I would know. Anyway, so there's the front. Very pretty. Shiny. The lettering is raised. This is the back. Let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is, wow. Okay. I love this. This is absolutely beautiful. The camera does not do it justice. Let me see if I can, well, ooh, alrighty then. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Everything looks perfect. Oh my gosh, that is just, the colors are very bright. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. That altered state yellow is beautiful. Joshua tree, gorgeous green. Very nice. I love the purples in it. The lava lamp blue. I mean, come on. Very pretty. Okay, well, sorry for such a short video, but that is my Jeffree Star haul. I hope you're not upset that I didn't open the second mirror, but that is a gift. And I am going to have to go up on the website to clarify which one is the glow-in-the-dark, because that's the gift. And I got 2 of the same shirt, because one of the shirts is also a gift. And this is my Christmas gift from my mother. Thanks, Mommy. And if Jeffree Star would ever happen to watch this, my mom is 72 years old, and I showed her the video of the reveal of this palette, and she said, she's so cute. She was like, "What a beautiful young man." So there's that. And of course, I showed her the reveal video because she said that I could pick my Christmas gift. Because she was we have everything we need. We're at that part of our life where we have everything we need. So why not pick something you want, right? So that is what I picked. That is what my mom got me for Christmas. It will be wrapped up and put under the tree. So there will be no looks done with it until after Christmas. And that's fine with me. I'm happy I got it. It's a beautiful palette. I love the shirts. I wear a lot. This isn't one of Jeffree's shirts, but I wear a lot of Jeffree's apparel. I have a lot of hoodies. I have his robe and all that, and it's all really good quality. And I was hoping that when he did that little Halloween sale that the spider t-shirts would have been on there, because I would have loaded up on those. I wear that one all the time, year round. So anyway, that's my video for today. Thank you for watching. Please like it and subscribe. Hit me up on IG at Mountain Witch Christine. And I'm 1 away from 100 subscribers. So if we get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. And it's going to be a crystal agate necklace and a soap from my company. And a lot of people have been asking me, do I sell person to person? At this time, I don't. I used to. And it became very frustrating during the pandemic, especially when they put a warning out, don't buy handmade goods because you don't know, how the virus was spread. So my business kind of took a tumble, and somebody reached out to me that had a mom and pop store that was trying to survive during the lockdowns and, when they were allowed to be open, but only a few people in their stores, and asked me if I would make their soap, and that turned into 4 different shops. And I'm not going to mention their names. They sell my soaps, they order, and they kept me afloat during the pandemic, and I'm grateful for them. So with that being said, I'm going to get going back over to the soap room to finish cleaning and start making my family's Christmas gifts. Now that all the orders are out, shipped, and I'm cleaning, now it's time to focus on my family and their gifts. Also, Thanksgiving coming up. And that's what I'm most grateful for, is my family and the love of my family. And all of you here on YouTube, thank you so much for subscribing, if you're subscribed. And please, if you like my content, subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.